Why NoMad? Wynwood may be one of the best turnkey investments in Miami right now. Hey everybody, Guillermo Teran here. I want to talk about something very important because a lot has changed since we first started selling NoMad Wynwood. Back then, we were talking about renderings, floor plans, construction updates, and future possibilities. Today, we're talking about a building that is already delivering. More than 50% of the residences have already been delivered to their owners. The building is operational. Residents are moving in, owners are taking possession, Casa Tua is open. And perhaps most importantly, short-term rental units are already hitting the market. This is no longer a projection. This is reality. Some of the first listings are already appearing on platforms like Airbnb with rates starting around $429 per night. Now, that's just the beginning. Every new building goes through a ramp-up period as guests discover it, reviews accumulate, and occupancy grows. But what's exciting is that we're finally able to see real-world performance begin to take shape. And that's exactly what many investors wait for. One of the biggest advantages of NoMad is that you're not buying into an idea anymore. You're buying into a completed luxury hospitality product. The NoMad brand is recognized globally. The building offers a hospitality-driven experience. And now Casa Tua is operating and attracting exactly the type of clientele that makes Wynwood special. This isn't just another condominium. It's becoming a destination. And destination properties tend to perform differently. They attract visitors. They create activity. They create demand. And ultimately, that's what short-term rental owners want. Another reason I continue to like NoMad is its location. Wynwood continues to evolve into one of Miami's most dynamic neighborhoods. Art, food, technology, hospitality, culture, walkability. The neighborhood continues attracting both visitors and long-term residents from around the world. And unlike many investment opportunities, this is a turnkey product. The residences are finished, the building is operating, the amenities are open. You can close and immediately begin executing your investment strategy. Now let me share something I've always believed and something I discuss in my book, Miami's Pre-Construction Blueprint. The two best times to buy pre-construction are often at the beginning and at the end. At the beginning, you typically get the lowest pricing and the best selection. At the end, you get certainty. You know exactly what you're buying. You can walk the property, you can see the finishes, you can evaluate the neighborhood, and in some cases, you may still have opportunities to negotiate remaining inventory. This is exactly where NoMad is today. As one of the top producers in the building, my team and I have been involved from the very beginning. We've seen the entire process, from pre-sales to contracts to groundbreaking to construction to delivery. And because of those relationships and that experience, we still have access to some of the remaining inventory opportunities that are available today. If you're considering Miami real estate, especially a turnkey short-term rental opportunity in Wynwood, this is definitely a project worth evaluating. The window is getting smaller, inventory is getting tighter, and once the developer inventory is gone, the conversation shifts to the resale market. If you'd like pricing, availability, rental projections, or a private consultation, send me a direct message. My team and I specialize in Miami pre-construction and branded residences, and we'd be happy to help you determine whether NoMad Wynwood is the right fit for your investment goals. I'm Guillermo Teran. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.